Welcome! In this video, you're going to learn how to prevent Telegram from adding your profile link whenever someone forwards your messages all directly from Telegram web on your PC. This feature comes with the new update, and it's a great way to keep your privacy fully under control. Let's get started. First, open Telegram web on your computer. You can use any browser of your choice, Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. They all work perfectly fine. Once you're logged into your account, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. That's the main menu icon. Click on it to open your sidebar. From here, select Settings. This is where you can manage all your account preferences, privacy options, and security controls. Inside the settings list, go ahead and click on Privacy and Security. This section allows you to decide who can interact with your content, your messages, and even your profile link. Now, scroll down until you find the option that says, Who can add a link to my account when forwarding my message? This is the setting that controls whether your Telegram link appears in messages forwarded by others. Click on that option, and you'll see a few choices like Everybody, My Contacts, and Nobody. To completely stop Telegram from adding your link to any forwarded message, select Nobody. This ensures that even if someone forwards your messages, your account link will not be attached. It's a simple but powerful way to maintain your privacy. Once you've made your choice, Telegram automatically saves the change, no extra steps needed. You can now close the settings menu knowing your privacy control has been updated. And that's it.